Okay. So now, musobola okumbuulira. Yumbulire formula then tugende mu maaso.
Anti omazeeyo ogambye tukoma ku good so ddamu gundi ogambe bwobanga ki
abali above 40 bajja kuba baayita, then abali below 40 bajja kuba baagwa. Naye ku luno njagala tugambe nti those ones above 40 they are good, those ones below 40 poor. Wanji? So let's do this. Give me an idea.
Equal signs. Open the bracket.
Okay.
D3.
No,
if.
Before equal signs, there is if.
Before,
yeah. After equal signs.
Okay.
That's if. Open the bracket. D3.
It's E.
Less than 40. Less than.
D3.
Yeah. Less than 40.
Less than 40.
Good.
Comma.
Open the quotation mark.
Opened.
Put very good.
Very good.
Close the quotations. Comma. Then poor. Also poor take a quotation side zombie. Sorry. Then close the bracket and enter.
Enter.
So those are
poor. Let me autofill. I see whether it will give me poor. Good students. So banai fena tukitegedde ngoyo bwakitegedde. Oyo nga bwakitegedde fena we tukiina. We don't want to leave anyone behind. So if it's true that we all are the same point, so we are saving. For any step, for any step that you do, you must do what?
To save.
Because if your laptop, maybe your computer does not save power, meaning you will be missing your work. But when you do as you save, it will help you recover your work. Okay. So jugira bino ebintu bye tukoze, they are not within the when you go to print preview, these ones are not into the table. Why? Ani asobola okumpa ensonga why these ones are not into the table? Olaba ne bino past tebiri mu gundi. Why?
Because we did not
We did
not do what?
Extend the columns and arrows.
So it is, we did not put the tables, the borders. Nga twakoze jjo meaning that we have to select the entire document like this and put full borders. Is it okay? So meaning that we shall do like this, begin from this one. Let's begin from here. So like this, then we go to borders. Borders, yeah, in font here. Then I said we go to all borders and click. So when we go to print preview, you can see these ones are already in what? Within our range, within the table. Then these ones are also in the table. You see this, the word comments?
Yes.
Comments eyisemu. Lwaki? Comments eyisemu kubanga this box is too small.
Yeah.
We have to do what? To extend it. So for extension, I said you come, waje akantu akalinga omusalaba kowe katyo, you do like this, you extend. So when you extend your save again, we go to print preview and see whether it is now within the range. Ndozo kiraba kati kituddemu bulungi. Then still neche twagala kano tukajeko kaberenga nako kali black konna. Which feature are we going to use?
Colors.
We are going to use margin. So we select all this heading from this side up to here, then we come to merge. So merge and center. Okay. So when we save and go back to print preview, you will see that our entire what is see. Ndozo kiraba nti kati byonna biriwo ebiti.
Yes.
So,
Mr. Pass,
yes, please.
katono nnyo nsaba kunziramuko ka formula ka average.
Ka formula ka average. Oh, okay. So we said, nga sinaba kwogera ani ajjukira average.
Average.
Formula.
Equal sign.
Uh-huh.
Average. Then open the bracket. Then say reference.
Average. Then you open the bracket. For example, C3.
Yeah.
Maybe to C7. Is it like this? Then you close the bracket. So, what do the Excel? Average here, so the formula is here. Mr. Yawada was a formula average. Zoom user and so average we say equal sign average, then you say maybe from D4 to H4 or from finding as a column, you can say from D4 maybe to D7. If you're finding for the rows, you can say maybe from F7 maybe to H7. Listen now.
Yeah, sure.
Listen now, the one.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So kati ebisigadde osobola okujja ng'obikendeeza ng'oyagala kale birabike birungi. This one olaba nga table column togyagala, you want to delete it, you can put the arrow like this, right click, delete. It will be deleted. Are we okay?
Yeah.
We are trying to make some space so that it can fit on the page. Njagala wali nga kibeere nga kyonna kirabika. That it can fit on the page. Yeah, wano kijja kulabika. When you go to print preview. Ndowooza table yonna mugiraba kati. Muba temugiranga muga password fera tugiraba. Mugiraba?
Yeah.
Okay, bwe tuba tugiraba, let's go to waliwo atategedde nga tetunagenda ku kirala.
Wazikwa ginabye nga wabadde okola otya si delete wabadde okola otya nga no clickinga mu box nereeta obuntu obuli nga buli glittering nga bwetooloola oba oggyawo column eyo oba okola otya?
Obuntu bugiritalinga.
Like ng'olinga nga eyo si box yokayoka ng'eringanga oba nkikanyonyola entya simanyi.
Engeri gy'okanyonnyola. Oba sinaba kutegeera.
Like nga you click in the box oba ako kamu. Oba wadde otunyira n'ogamba bwe kajjaho nga keetooloddwa obuntu nga like nga keetooloddwa konna.
For example, nga finding a formula ya equal sign sum. Then ne opening a bracket. Kati we selecting nzibwe nti.
Ekyo kyeŋŋamba. What's that?
Wano oba toyagala biwandiika nga oyagala byeteekemu bweteesi. Olaba nti weetaddemu E3 to G3. You can just select. Okitegedde? Then when you select, when you close the bracket ejja kuwa sum. This happens when you are using the formula. You say it may be equal sign average. Average. When you do, then you can just select like this. Chirava.
I understand.
You can even select the entire document like this. No finding average ya bino byonna.
Okay.
Oba ya bino byonna. Kyoyagala ky'osobola ky'okola era ekuwa answer. From E3 yeriwa E3 yino then to G13 yino. Meaning that egenda kutuwa average ya bino byonna. Closinga ndozolaba average tuwadde 120.53333.
Okay, kitegedde.
Natukunda, you are dozing.
Mr. Pius.
Yes, please.
Nantikati, that is when you are finding greater or less, eh? But you've not told anything about greater.
No, for any formula, you're finding a greater or less.
Greater or less, or?
You can just, when you are doing greater or less, that meaning that you use the if function. You want to put comments. So, any questions before we proceed?
So, ekibuuzo ekirala. Anywhere you want to put, anywhere in the Microsoft Excel, you want to put comments. For example, olina oba addresses bagambe wateekemu emiwendo gya addresses nga gagigamba zino obuzito biti. I'm just giving an example. Anywhere to put a comment, you have to use the if function all.
Yeah, so long as you want to put a comment, that is you have to use an if function. That is the function that will allow you to put logic.
Okay.
Another question, please. Teri alina kibuuzo.
Not yesterday. Like there is something which you never ended yesterday about drawing the lines over.
Drawing the lines?
Yeah.
Where?
You had a sheet which was plain,
Hmm.
and you are going to explain why the other one looked plain and how you can create lines.
Oh, actually, we ended it. Maybe I can repeat it for you. I said, for example, when you look at these lines, if I want to create a plain space, I can just select these lines like this. Then I use this one, merge and center. When you use merge and center, you can say I have created a space. Hmm? Have I answered your question?
Damundabe.
Anywhere you need to create a space, maybe for example, zino boxes I want to remove them and I create a plain space. I will select all of them. Then I come to home. There is insert, page layout, what, but there is home because that is where the future want to use, that's where it is found. So then when you come to home, you will see within alignment, there is a merge and center. When you go to this drop down button, there is merge and center, merge across, merge cells, then and merge cells. But you're going to use merge and center. Merge and center simply means the lines will be removed and the words that you rewrite will be exactly within the middle of the document, of that merge area. So when we say merge and center, you'll see the space has been left blank. Kibanga abazirabinze ne tuzijjamu. Okitegedde mukwano oba era nkuddiremu? Okay. Kakati waliwo ejjo yambuzizza ekibuuzo. Ejjo wali yambuzizza ekibuuzo n'agamba kati watya nga twagala kola bino ebintu mu ascending order nga twagala aba ebe baba basooka waggulu bano abalina amannya nga Zubeida be baba basemba wansi tukikola tutya? Ekyo ekibuuzo mbadde njagala tukiddemu leero nga tukikola wano practically. So this is what we use the future called the sorting. Use sorting. To do that one, we do sorting. How do we do sorting? You first see what are you going to sort. Today we are going to sort basing on the names. We are going to sort them in ascending order, after in descending order to see the differences, okay? So where are the names? The names, they are in the column of B. We have Kansime Christine, Atieno Joyce, Matthias Bugembe, Sharifa, Jessica Tuhaire, Ategeka Pius, and Owens. In actual sense, we tuba tuze mu alphabetical order ya A to Z, meaning that Ategeka, Atieno, be balina okusooka waggulu. So chiri. Then Owen. Balina okusembayo wansi.
Nze nsembayo.
Balina okusemba wansi. So what we do, we come and select these ones, only the area that will be affected. Then we look for sort. Where do we find the sort? Sort is within the home, this ribbon of home. Then you see this extreme end where you see some fill clear. Then there is this one, filter, sort and filter. Did you see this one? Sort and filter. One way the casa and away. Within the home, then we took a como in our semba waliyo sort and filter.
Oh.
Are we in class?
Yes.
Okay, then you click this drop down button. Drop down button. Then this, when you click drop down button, you will see sort A to Z. A to Z knows I ascending to descending. Then Z to A, ye descending to ascending. Let's begin with A to Z. A to Z meaning abaina amanya ga A bebagenda ogenda wagulu. Naye balina okukyuka ne maxi zaabwe tebakyuka ate zino maxi ne zisigala. Njagala era twetegereze wano tulaba nti ono aliwo ali failed, ono ali failed, Athieno Joyce ali failed. Twagala okulaba ne failed ejja kukyuka. Ono Pius tulaba wano ali poor. Twagala kulaba nti ne poor naye agenda naye. Si kukyuka ate maxi ne zisigala. So let's sort A to Z. Then here Microsoft Office is telling us, Microsoft Office found the data next to your selection. Since you have not selected this data, it will not be sorted. What do you want to do? Expand the selection or continue with the current selection? Kiki kyegezaako okutubuuza? Eyagala etubuuza nti tuselectinze bano bokka. Data yaabwe teri selected. Byo tebaagala byo bikyuse.
Twagala bikyuke nabyo.
Then meaning that we shall say expand the selection and sort.
We do this at the merge cells network.
So meaning that we have to do like this. We select this. Then we go to sort A to Z. Okitegedde? Kyewali kye mbadde mbanyonnyola nti wali w'oselectinga byokka bajja kukyuka naye wano amaanyi gayinza obutakola ki? Amaanyi gayinza okukyuka naye bino ne bitakyuka olw'okuba they are not selected. That's why our Microsoft was warning us. So maxi zaabwe bagenze nazo si weekiri?
Wekiri.
Kati wano tulina ategeka Kansime tetwamuselectinze. Kansime abeera atya nga yasooka waggulu? Obadde nga ke nga yeesooka. Really? Kansime? Tugaaniddeyo.
Nedda nze nakadde tannaba kulimakinga.
Sime mbadde manyi Sima wadde yeefudde kabejja wa. Kumbe alina kubeera eno wansi. So kati bakoze eki? Kati wano bakyuse. Okitegedde? Tusobola n'okusootinga kusinziira ku alina maxi nnyingi. Nti alina average nnyingi nti yaba asinze. Naye bwe tujja basootinga nga tufunye rank. Enkya tugenda kusoma ku rank nga tufuna positions. Okitegedde?
Yeah.
So waliwo alina ky'abuuza?
Saving the video wama.
Waliwo alina ky'abuuza? Njagala Excel eggwe mbawe ku tricks endala nga 2 lesson eggwe. Saagala bapika. Leero tusomye ku average ne tulaba sorting ne tulaba how to put comments. Tusomye ebintu bingi.
Kyeyongera mmanyi tumaze.
Era kumpi tumaliriza. Njagala mumbuuze closing. No questions?
Tunafunayo ku video.
No query.
Ya video nzirecordinga naye nene netaaga obudde nsooke nze editing nzituze mu Premiere Pro zigendere space.
Wabula tukolereyoko ku video. Tufa tugwawo.
Video zo nzirecordinga naye nene kinasoose okusindika nagisindise oba yabadde mu mmeka naye njagala sooka nziteeke mu edit nzikendeze space manya size.
Yeah, kubanga most of us we are just watching kati bw'oba oginyina oyinza okikola practically
Okay,
as you are watching.
that's you are sorted. Videos zino nzina ezitali bugunde nja kuziggyako voice nzivoicinge then nziba sharing. Naye video tujja zigiriranga ku Telegram oba YouTube kuba WhatsApp jjukira elimitinga video size ne gundi n'obuwanvu. Ate Telegram yekkiriza buli kiramu ne YouTube. Okay?
Yes, Telegram is better.
So for today, we have ended here on Excel. I think I can close this page.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Mbadde ngamba obuddeyo ko wali ku wenyini awo. I just wanted to see what I've wrote if it is same as
Okay.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's done.
Wechiri? Okay. I can remove this one.
Yeah, to me.
Okay. So, olwaleero by the way, nabadde nina kye mbategekeddeyo ekirala.
First wait.
Okubijjako?
Yeah. There's something that I not draw.
Mumanyi kukola undo?
Undo.
Hey.
Yes.
No.
Undo. Temumanyi undo?
Kwali ku computer kwe kali.
Katugeze saawa zino olaba kino kye nkoze mbijjeeko. Naye nsobola obi undoinga ne mbizzaako.
Tetukimanyi.
Kati bino ebintu bino bimanya. Shortcuts, undo, redo, print preview, undo onyiga control and Z. Redo onyiga control and Y. Print preview onyiga control and P. Ezo shortcuts zikuyamba nnyo okulaba nga okola ki? Ng'oyagala kuselectinga entire buli kimu kyonna onyiga control and A. Kusavinga control and S.
Bamanyi control S yokka.
Master.
Okay. Solo bijjako? Okay. Then kakati leero njagala kubayigirizayo ekintu kimu. Actually waliwo omwana yafeesinze obuzibu. Yaze mu inbox yange. Yatumya kompyuta ye ne bamuwamu kompyuta gy'ataatumya. Kiba kitegeeza omwana yali tamanyi property ya kompyuta. Which type was it? Was it i5? Was it? So, when you are buying a computer, meaning that you should be aware of which kind of machine you are getting. That in case you are being delivered a machine at home, you can easily check your device and know this one is an i5. There is Windows 10 installed. You must be aware of such things. Mumanyi engeri gye mubikeberamu?
Nedda.
Ani amanyi? Mpulidde nga wali amanyi?
Gambye nedda.
Okay. Ebintu bye mulina okubuuza kubanga ojja kugamba nkuleetere kompyuta onsabye i3 nkuleetere Pentium R.
Ate eno program ki eno?
No, eno screen yange. So kakati oba oyagala kukebera property za kompyuta yo, abalina kompyuta mulaba kye bayita this PC. Screen yamwe this PC. Kakano wano this PC.
Yeah.
Mukalaba?
Yeah.
Right click. Waje view, sort by, bichi. No, right clickinga kweyo kweyo gundi wajja kujja open, pin to quick biki, manage, pin to start biki, delete, then wansi waliyo properties.
Yeah.
Then clicking ku properties. Okilikinga ku properties ejja kuleetera settings.
Yeah.
Kati wotumyanga computer, this is where you first check about bakugamba device specifications. Kati eyange eri device name, desktop, processor nina Intel Core i5 3320M 2.6 gigahertz ye speed ye processor speed. Installed RAM osobola okugamba nti omuntu nze njagala 8 GB omukeberera wa RAM ali wano, installed RAM bakulaga 8 GB manya 4 GB uno okiraba. Then device ID naye ebisinga amakulu bye bino, processor ne RAM. Omuntu asobola okubuulira ebifu naga processor bweti i5 naye nga yakuleetedde ddyo wakati obikeberera wano woolabira ne generation. Oba ndi nammwe?
Iye.
So n'ekirala Windows ali installed naye abeera wansi, Windows specifications olaba edition Windows 10 Pro version 20H2 installed on 15th of December 2023. Kitegeeza wanga ali latest. Linda kona mu installinga mu maaso. Njimanyi wange na mu installinga mu maaso.
Omuinstallinga nga
5 December naye
nze nakimanya abamu mwayingira dda omwaka.
No, ensonga omanyi lwaki? Mr. Bugembe teyabagambyeko nti we tukuguza Windows ajja ali fully installed taggwako takola ki?
Ate maama n'omuinstalling ow'omwaka ogujja.
Na installinga dde ow'omwaka owa December. Ate taggwako. So wokeberera waneno nti Windows 10 Pro n'olaba buli kimu. Okitegedde?
Kijja kitanga Windows taggwako.
Anti kati kiba kitegeeza oba olina okuba nga olina knowledge wa cracking. Eyo mujja kutuukayo abanaasoma advanced computing. Cracking a software. Kitegedde muganda wange. So there's no specification.
Nabyo mubisomesa.
Ye tubisomesa, tewali kye tutasomesa ssebo. Tusomesa buli kimu, graphics, programming, oyagala kola software, oyagala kola website, buli kimu tukisomesa. Wabula gwe ky'oyagala kye tukuwa.
Okay, twesunze otuukayo.
So kakati ono mupya. Kakati n'ekirala bayinza okugamba nti twagala hard disk twakuteereddemu 5 oba 256. Hard disk ogikebera otya? Hard disk osobola okujja ku this PC n'ogamba open. Ogamba open ejja kuleetera local disk. Local disk yeeno kati yange eriko 464 GB kati yeba 500 GB. Esobola okubanga computer yo hard disk eri partitioned ng'erina partitions. How do you check full hard disk? You come to this PC, you go to manage. When you go to manage and wait, because this one of ogenda mu system ya computer mu oba olina okulawo katono. Okay, ndoozezze. So kati kana akantu wekeggulawo kati mukalaba nga we kali kaliko computer management okirira wansi ku disk management wali storage then disk management one then you click there. When you click ojja kulaba connecting to virtual disk service then neyeggula kati yiino bagamba disk 0 basic 465.76 GB online then reserved kati zino reserved computer teziraga wali jukira wogula computer bino Windows biki ebijirako n'amanya ga computer agabaako eyo space computer egitwala eba tegiraga tine wogula memory card ya 2 GB teraga nti 2 GB eraga nga 1.8 GB kati buli obusigadde buba reserved omala kuyingira muli munda n'olyoka obulaba kati zino 500 MBs ne zino 532 MBs kati wozigata zikola GB. This is health system active primary partition. This is also recovery partition. The computer in case ofunye ebuzibu eshatinze down and knowing oba ekoze etya amasanyalaze gagifunye fault eno recovery system ebaako recovery information ejiyambako ku recovery Windows naye wali teraga okitegedde naye wojja eno byonna obiraba naye oba oyagala ku partitioninga hard disk nti nze njagala no hard disk ngisazeemu wano wabeerewo music wano oteekewo bino wano partitioningira hard disk buli kimu byonna tujja biraba mukitegedde.
Yeah. In fact, ntera nnyo kulaba ezo hard disk ziri partitioned.
So kakati mikwano gyange ndaba n'obudde butugwako so ebisigadde ndowooza tusobola okwasaganyiza mu group ne tunyumyamu nga we tumaliriza. Ayina ekibuuzo asobola okubuuza. In case you have any other request you have to ask, you can ask. We are just left with 1 minute and some seconds.
Waliyo lesson endala.
Sisuubira okujjako nga bamaze